This video is going to be boring because it's the truth about making money with affiliate marketing. So those of you who have been reaching out to me in the comment sections, in the DMs, in the emails that I should do video about affiliate marketing, no, I decided to make this video for you to help you, especially if you're a complete beginner in affiliate marketing. If you watch this video, it's going to save you a ton of time. So let's get started. So most people, the first thing they look out for whenever it comes to affiliate marketing is PayPal account and affiliate programs. So they are looking for platforms where they give out affiliate programs, they go and sign up and all that. But the truth is, if you do all that, you can't make any money in affiliate marketing. So the best thing to do is to grow audience first. It's people that will buy your product or service that you'll be referring to them. Assuming that you have all these platforms, you sign up, you have a PayPal account and all that, and people are not clicking on any link, or you don't have people to click on the links, how will you make money from affiliate marketing? Because affiliate marketing is all about you promoting a company's product, and for you to make money from it, unless audience or your followers click on the link before you can also make money. So for instance, a video I did about Binance some time ago, like that video, over 200 people click on the link to register on Binance. Some people also make a deposit, so I made some commissions from anyone who successfully created a Binance account. But let's say you don't have followers, you don't have audience and all that, and you want to make money from affiliate marketing, it's going to be tough. So the first thing to think of is how you can get audience. If you don't have the eyeballs, definitely you will not make any money from affiliate marketing, and that's the truth. So that is to say that even if you are watching big YouTubers teaching you about how to start affiliate marketing and all that, definitely you are not going to make anything unless you have audience. So how do you get this audience? You can create a Facebook group, or you can create a Facebook page, or you can create a YouTube channel, or any social media platform that you can build audience. This is where you can start your affiliate marketing journey. So it can be on TikTok, can be on YouTube and other social media platforms. If you don't have these platforms, it will be tough for you to make money from affiliate marketing. Now, apart from the social media platforms, you can also create your own website where you'll be creating content. So the more you create content and people read, you can now refer these affiliate links to them and they'll click on it to buy something from you. So basically, that's how you can make money from affiliate marketing. So if you don't have audience, you don't have followers, you don't have some attention on you and all that, you find it very difficult to do affiliate marketing. Now, what most people do is that you see, if they are beginners, they don't have audience themselves, what they mostly do is to go to some Facebook groups and do and start posting links. If the Facebook group is yours, you have authority over it. But if the Facebook group is not for you, then it will be tough for you, because if I have a Facebook group and you start posting random links, asking people to come and click on a link and all that, I will personally block you, because I don't know where you are referring people to. And if something bad happened to these people, or they get scammed and all that, they'll say it is because they click a link on, like in my Facebook group, that's led them to be scammed and all that. So if you are someone who wants to start affiliate marketing, posting links randomly will not make you get any sales. So the best thing to do is to build your own followings. You can build your own website, your social media pages. That's where you can now direct people to a particular platform to go and buy or to click on your link, and you also start making sales. So basically, this is the basics. You don't need anything extraordinary to start affiliate marketing. Even if you watch big, giant YouTubers on affiliate marketing and all that crap, the process remains the same. Sometimes people run adverts to bring people to their websites, and from there people can now tap on their link and all that. If you have money to run adverts and you know that the links you are promoting is going to make more sales than the amount you are spending and all that, then you can give it a try. But as a beginner, focus on building audience. This is where you can now make money from. So the audience too is not every audience that you can start, monetizing. You have to be in a specific field. So for instance, I am making videos about how to make money online, or making finance videos. So now I can talk about a finance app that can help people to invest and make money on their investment. Even already, if I talk about some of the apps, people have been asking me to share the links with them and all that. That means anytime I share the link and people click on it, I'll make a commission from the affiliate sales that I'll make. So basically, that's the whole concept. Now that you've watched this video, the first step you have to take now is to start building audience around a particular niche. Then if you are able to build the audience up to some point, you can now start your affiliate marketing from there. So basically, that's the whole thing. But because of some one or two reasons, most people don't talk about it this way. And I decided to bring it to you guys. I believe this video has been helpful. Be sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more helpful videos.